How to fix game crashing issue after installing KB5121003 in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, is your game crashing after installing KB5121003 in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2? If yes, then follow the steps. Click on Search, type Registry, click on Registry Editor. If your account control appears, click on Yes. On the Registry Editor, go to HKey Local Machine. Expand it by clicking on this arrow. Then go to System. Expand this key. Go to CurrentControlSet. Expand it. Services. Then look for Input x64. This one. In the right pane, look for the dword value named Start. This one. Double click on this value. Change the value data to 4. Click on OK. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. It is an official workaround from Microsoft, so it should work perfectly. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.